Welcome back to Cooking with Flava with Ava. On this episode, we're making vegan chicken and waffles. Vegan? Yes, I said it. It's gonna be delicious. Let's get started. Let's start on our vegan waffle. So, we have 1 cup of banana flour. What is banana flour? It's actually made from the peels of bananas, super packed with nutrients and yummy banana flavor. Next, we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Gives that fluffiness, but if you want to be gluten-free, just double the banana flour. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Gotta have some fall flavors, and we're gonna whisk it all together.
Now, I actually became a vegan on accident. I just wanted to eat healthier and eat of the earth. I call it earth-based. And once I learned how much healthier it is for the environment, how easy it is to be vegan, there's so many vegan options, I feel less bloated, so many recommendations. And once you find out being vegan can be tasty, there's no going back.
But let's get back to these waffles. 1 cup and 1/4 of oat milk.
3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, I don't have to look. 3. Now we are vegan, so we're not using eggs. We're using just egg. And this is an egg substitute. It still has yummy protein, cooks up like eggs. It's just delicious. You do 1 tablespoon to the amount of eggs that you want to use. So 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons. Give it a good shimmy shake. 3 tablespoons. It looks just like eggs. Now, we're gonna make an extra banana waffle. We're using banana flour, and we're also going to use banana puree.
For the banana puree, we have 1 banana, 1/4 cup of oat milk. Blend it together, and voila!
Probably be great baby food. And we're going to add this into our waffle.
Yum! Drama!
The drama! And the last ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Time to whisk. Now, you can warm up your wrist if you need to, if you have a little arthritis problems, but we're about to get in here. Vamos! Oh, I can smell the banana flavor. So I know what you're probably thinking. How do you make vegan chicken and waffles? Well, say hello to the oyster mushroom of love. This mushroom is going to transform into the tastiest vegan chicken you've ever seen. Don't believe me? Don't believe me, just watch.
Take a good look at these oyster mushrooms. They're about to be your new best friend.
We're going to batter our oyster mushrooms just like we would for our chicken. We have our flavor mix. It is flour, salt, pepper, seasoning salt, adobo seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper. Now we're gonna divvy up our flour seasoning mixture into 2 separate bowls. One is going to be our wet mixture, the other is gonna be our dry mix.
I'd say the divide 60-40, so 40% in the wet mixture, 60% in the dry mixture. Add our ice cold water. Whisk, whisk, whisk.
This is our flour mixture with 1.5 cups of water. Alright, it's time to batter our mushrooms. Or should I say chicken bits. We're going to take our ecosystem and we're going to break it up into, you know, chicken-sized pieces. You want a breast? We got a breast. You want a leg? I got your leg. You want another breast? How about a wing? Okay, let's take our first chicken breast into our wet mixture. Get in there, sous chef. Forks if you don't want to get messy. Both sides cover. Ooh, it looks like Zach sauce. Can you come to your neighbor? Into our dry mixture. You want to make sure your shroom is nice and covered with flour so it can be nice and crispy. These forks are annoying. Get in there! Yes, yes. See, you can get into the nooks and crannies. Open. Yes, we want to get in there. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Into the deep fryer! And let it go. Ooh. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. Oh, what? Crispy, crunchy, I'm drooling.
Let's do this one more time. Oyster mushroom into our wet mixture. Dry mixture, nice and covered. Into our deep fryer. Down the hatch. Don't forget to flippity. And subscribe. And voila! Oh my god. It's even better the second time. We can't forget about our syrup.
We have 2 bananas sliced and diced.
1.5 cups of agave.
And a splash of vanilla extract. And lastly, some cinnamon. We're gonna cook this and simmer it down, and we have our delicious banana syrup compote for our waffles. All right, let's cook our waffles with our fancy Ninja waffle maker. This is our Ninja waffle maker. Makes the perfect waffle every time.
Included with an easy pouring station for a no-mess waffle.
Just set it in there, let it drain. Whoa, it's moving so fast the camera can't even catch it. Okay, you're too close. You're too close. Look at that! We're gonna cut this part off, but very hot it is. Hot.
That is one attractive waffle. And perfectly golden. One more time. We pour. We drip.
Drop the dress! Look at you, you little rascal.
Get out of here. Shoot. Look at that. 2 vegan waffles. We can't forget about our syrup.
Holy mackerel.
Look at the banana goodness. Oh, this is gonna be good.
I will be having a vegan skeptic to come in and taste these
Yummy vegan chicken and waffles. Drowned in our syrup. Get those bananas on there. Ooh, these look delicious.
We're going to put the chicken on top. The reason we put it on top, if you put the compote on the chicken, you lose the crispiness and you lose some of the flavor. Do you hear the crunch? We want to add a pop of color because it's, you know, browns, creams, we love it. But fresh raspberries add a little acidity to break through all the sweetness. And they're pretty good. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Just look how it brightens the whole dish. I'd say these are ready to be tasted.
All right, welcome Sarah Foster, my childhood friend, botanist, lavender plug, and vegan skeptic. Hug me. Okay, we have our vegan chicken and waffles. Shall we taste?
Yes, we shall.
Be honest, I know you will. Oh. And look at the chicken, y'all. Look at it. Look at this vegan chicken. Okay, go ahead. I'm right behind you. Get the banana and a little piece of that chicken skin. Yes, sirree.
Take a moment. Take a moment. There's the crunch. Okay. Not only was I a vegan skeptic, I was also a strong mushroom hater. This is so bad. Don't cry.
I'm telling y'all, the heat, the salt, the crunch, you would not know that this is vegan if I didn't tell you. Look at the waffle. Vegan waffle.
This waffle's so good too.
It's airy. We use banana flour.
I love bananas.
There's bananas everywhere. And I like my waffles a little crunchy on the outside, squishy on the fluffy on the inside.
It's like science. I don't even know what you did.
Let me just show the people. Look at this. I'll just eat this back. Look at that crunch. It's just tasty. Go ahead, take it with you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make this recipe if you're interested in being vegan, you want to trick someone, or just even if you like meat, it's just a healthy alternative. I'm vegan, my parents are vegan. If you think it's too late to change, it's not. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes and tune in next time. I'm cooking with Flava. With it.
No, just oyster mushroom.
Oyster mushrooms. Vegan chicken and waffles.
I thought there was more. Oh.
Vegan chicken banana waffles. Vegan chicken banana waffles. Waffles banana chicken, I don't know.